But first at 6, a COVID quarantine conundrum. CMS now has hundreds of staff out across the district, all in quarantine.
Yeah, big conundrum. And with so many out, what's being done to tackle it? Queen City News reporter Derek DELLINGER live in Uptown tonight outside of Metro School.
And Derek, that school has the highest amount of staff out, along with dozens of students. What's the situation elsewhere?
The situation elsewhere right now is not good. We can tell you that right now. 700 staff members are out due to COVID quarantines, at least right now. And proportionally speaking, that is worse than the students that are out in the district right now. Metro School says they want to put students first, but right now they have the unique distinction of being the school that has the most staff out right now within CMS due to COVID. 23 are having to quarantine, not that far behind Quail Hollow Middle School at 19 staff. Add in over 150 schools in the district seeing some sort of issue with quarantines, and you have a sense that things are not easy right now behind school walls.
There are 689 teachers around the district quarantined right now.
That's a lot.
We had a chance to speak with LINDSAY TALBOT. She's a child that goes to Quail Hollow Middle. She may have been surprised by the amount district-wide that are out, but not by what's happening at her child's school. She says now the planning there is a lot better than it was last year.
There were, when he was in elementary school, and when the crisis first occurred, when we're learning to live through the pandemic, there was a lot more of splitting them up and dividing and putting multiple kids into classrooms just to try to make it work.
CMS updated their COVID numbers today, and with those numbers comes a question. With Mecklenburg County's COVID positivity rate nearing 40%, could we be seeing a return to remote learning or schools being stretched thin with so many people having to call out? The county's health department, for their part, says they are trying to address it, with priority being on in-person instruction. That's meant beefing up health staff at schools, something that for now is working and at least giving some parents peace of mind.
It does make you worry about it. I think that COVID gave them the right tools to make sure that the lessons plans and the coverage was taken care of.
Now, we did reach out to CMS for a comment or an interview on how they're handling all this, but they declined comments, saying that they will be updating the board tomorrow night at their board meeting. We'll have more details on that when it comes up then. COVID and COVID protocols are likely to be a topic of discussion, as well as some of the pushback to that. There has been quite a bit over the past couple of years. In fact, the anti-mask group Moms for Liberty, they've already signed up to speak at public comment. We're live at Uptown. Derek DELLINGER, Queen City News.